Okay, so I have my helper here to hold the camera while we start this. So as you can see, I trimmed the tip also a little bit, trimmed it up. So now you can see, and also got my fur ball on my lap clawing the heck out of my leg. So I'm gonna open up paper, drop in white, just the touch test. Quick touch test. My cat is clawing my hand as I'm trying to draw. That's kind of fun. Okay. Oop, ouch. She is clawing my and biting me. You want to get a picture of this? Look at her. Yeah, you can video her. She wants to find out what's going on. Ow! Okay, so we're going to continue with my cat biting and clawing me. Okay, so go back to here. Ouch. Can you see the little paw? This is sad. Where's the water gun? Ouch. Okay. Are we still rolling? Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, so here's a quick demo.
What it is for.
This is, we're just going to do some quick test. I don't know if you can get in a little closer on that, so you can see the pencil. And then we're just going to fade it out. And we'll go use the marker. Pick the pencil. And then give it some white, actually. Let's give it green eyes. White. Green at the top. Go. Black. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Just give it a little skin to brush. This is really quick and dirty. Quick and dirty. If I wanted to blend, I like my previous video, blending over here to highlight the new mechanical pencil stylus. Ridge here. Alright, so if you want to eyelashes, just, you know, quick, happy trees like quickness. This is really rough, but just to give you an idea of what she can do. Black, good. Let's blend it out. Oh, just quick with the quill tool. Angled. Let's see how far angled we can go. And different angles. I don't know if you guys can see that. Angled. Angled. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so let's back here. Yeah, this is really quick. Go back. Sorry, I know your arm's probably falling off, but clean that up just a tad. Now, keep in mind, people, that this is a hard tip, and it will eventually go through the tape, okay? So don't like hammer away at your... I have a screen protector. It will... you know, I don't know if you guys can see this, but probably not. But it actually doesn't really leave any scratches, and the iPad screen itself is pretty durable. I mean, it'll actually, you know, it'll take this, but like I'll say, do this at your own risk. I'm not going to be responsible for any, so just keep in mind, don't hammer away or grind into your iPad, you know, just use it lightly. And, you know, check periodically the tip for wear, because it will wear. The first one I created, I actually dropped it and the material broke at the bend point here, and I wasn't using it at all for a while. Some other things I can suggest is use a bulb, like a pen that has like kind of plastic and rounded at the tip. This is for you folks who wanted the mechanical pencil stylus. So I mean, this is really extreme. If you look at pretty, and when you're working with your drawing apps, I mean, you can get pretty close, and because it's semi-transparent, I mean, you can see your detail. I don't know, the camera can actually pick this up, but I mean, you can kind of see through and get a better idea of where you're drawing. Plus, it feels a little more natural. So, but there you go, folks. Okay, I hope you liked the video.